Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Get your present, Elizabeth. Get your present.
It's your actual birthday.
That's just a piece of paper.
I don't have very long on this, so.
Okay, that's fine. We can get some still pictures.
Let's see what's in there.
Pieces of paper are fun.
Let's see what's in there.
Elizabeth, are you 1 year old today?
Yes. She said,
What else is in there, Dad?
Whoa! You got it.
Look what she has in there.
No, let her
Whoa.
I'll get it. I'll get it out.
No, Sam. It's lighting up.
Get it, baby.
Get it, baby. Baby. Baby.
All right.
There you go.